A factory reset will bring your iPhone 11 back to its default settings or out-of-the-box configuration. Most of the time, a reset will fix any firmware-related issues, especially the ones that are caused by applications. When a problem occurs on your iPhone and you don't know what caused it or what you need to do to fix it, your best bet is a factory reset. Hey guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to factory reset your iPhone 11. Before you actually reset your device, make sure to create a copy of your important files and data because they will be deleted. It can be difficult to recover them after the reset. To factory reset your iPhone, follow these steps. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and then tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed with the reset. Now enter your Apple ID password and then touch Erase to reset your iPhone. The reset will take a few minutes to complete, so wait until the reset is finished. Your iPhone may reboot a few times while the process is underway. When the reset is finished, you will be prompted to set up your iPhone. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.